What if human civilization is not the first? What if, long before Mesopotamia or the pyramids, there were others, cultures as advanced as ours, or perhaps even more so? This question, once dismissed as mere speculation, has re-emerged as a serious topic of inquiry among geologists, archaeologists, and astrophysicists. New evidence, scientific, archaeological, mythological, and geological, suggests our species' story may be far older and more complex than we have been taught. Part 1. The problem of deep time. Civilization as we define it, urban life, writing, agriculture, complex technology, is thought to be around 6,000 years old. But Earth itself is 4.5 billion years old. The gap between these two numbers is astonishing. If compressed into a single day, all of recorded human civilization fits into the final few seconds before midnight. What was happening between the other 23 hours, 59 minutes, and 55 seconds? Earth has gone through numerous cycles of habitability. Oceans have formed and disappeared. Continents have collided and separated. Given this immense timescale, is it so impossible that intelligent life might have arisen before us, only to be erased by time, catastrophe, or geological transformation? Part 2. Understanding the Silurian Hypothesis. In 2018, scientists Adam Frank and Gavin Schmidt proposed a testable question. Would it be possible to detect evidence of an industrial civilization in the geological record millions of years after it disappeared? Their shocking conclusion: most traces of human civilization would vanish in less than 1 million years. Even plastic, metal, and radioactive materials would degrade or be buried beyond detection. Cities would crumble, skyscrapers collapse. Roads, bridges, and power plants would turn to dust. Petroleum byproducts might remain, but appear as natural geochemical anomalies. If an advanced civilization had existed 10 million years ago, or 100 million, or 300 million, we might never know. Part 3. Ancient Maps of Impossible Knowledge. The Pyrie Reis map of 1513 is a frequently cited piece of forbidden archaeology. It depicts what appears to be the coastline of Antarctica without ice. Conventional science tells us Antarctica has been covered in ice for around 30 to 40 million years. If accurate, this implies Antarctica was once charted when ice did not exist, by a seafaring culture capable of global exploration long before recorded history. Other maps, like the Orontius Phineus map and the Bwatch map, also appear to show Antarctic land masses in ways difficult to explain. Could these be remnants of knowledge from a forgotten civilization? Part 4. Geological Catastrophes and Forgotten Ages. Human history is shaped by catastrophe, even in recorded times. But in the deep past, Earth experienced events far beyond anything modern humans have faced, like the Younger Dryas impact event 12,800 years ago. The Toba supervolcano eruption 74,000 years ago, one of the largest in 2 million years, potentially reduced humanity to a few thousand survivors. Global flooding cycles, with sea levels fluctuating by hundreds of meters, repeatedly drowned coastal civilizations. If advanced civilizations existed during these periods, they would have been wiped out almost entirely. Part 5. Ancient structures that challenge our understanding. Around the world, colossal structures defy conventional explanations of ancient engineering. The Baalbek Trilithon in Lebanon features 3 stones weighing approximately 800 tons each, part of a platform whose purpose remains unknown. Humapunku in Bolivia showcases precision-cut stone blocks with perfectly drilled holes, interlocking geometries, and machine-like smoothness. Göbekli Tepe in Turkey, a 12,000-year-old megalithic complex, predates agriculture, cities, and writing, appending our understanding of early civilization. The Great Pyramid of Giza, despite centuries of study, still puzzles us with its precision, especially given the tools available at the time. Nan Madol in Micronesia is a city built entirely on the ocean using basalt pillars weighing tens of tons each. These sites suggest humanity's technological past may be older and more advanced. Part 6. Myths of Lost Civilizations. Every culture on Earth contains myths of a lost civilization destroyed by a great disaster. The similarities are striking. Atlantis in Greek tradition, Kumari Kandam in Tamil mythology, Zep Tepi in Egyptian texts, and the golden age of Hindu cosmology. Could these be memories, distorted through time, of a real ancient civilization? Part 7. Technologies that should not exist. Some discoveries appear out of place in their time periods. The Antikythera mechanism, a 2nd century BCE analog computer, was capable of predicting eclipses with astonishing accuracy. The Baghdad battery, a 2,000-year-old artifact, is believed by some to be an early galvanic cell. Ancient mining operations in Africa date back 40,000 years. These anomalies suggest bursts of technological advancement inconsistent with the linear model of human progress. Part 8. Ocean mysteries and the drowned world theory. More than 70% of Earth's surface is water. During the last ice age, sea levels were over 120 meters lower than today. Entire continents of land, now underwater, were once habitable. Underwater archaeological discoveries include Dvarka, a submerged city in India, and the Yanaguni Monument in Japan, a massive terrace structure. It is entirely possible that civilizations existed on these now-lost coastlines, swallowed by the oceans as sea levels rose rapidly after the Ice Age. Part 9. Genetic evidence of forgotten lineages. Human DNA contains mysteries that imply unrecognized ancestral groups. The discovery of Denisovans and a mysterious ghost population contributing to sub-Saharan African genetics points to admixture with unknown hominids. This raises the question, were there advanced human lineages that did not survive? Part 10. A civilization reset cycle. Some scientists propose that civilization follows cyclic patterns: development, expansion, overreach, collapse, and regrowth. Earth's geological instability could erase evidence of past cycles. Humanity, too, could be part of a long chain of civilizations stretching back into prehistory. Part 11. If we are not the first, who came before us? Possible scenarios include a pre-Ice Age human civilization or a lost species of hominin. Perhaps Homo sapiens had an early technological burst that vanished during a global catastrophe, or another hominin achieved intelligence and technology. It's also possible that entirely different species, reptilian, avian, or marine, developed intelligence over hundreds of millions of years. Part 12. A thought experiment. What would remain of us? Imagine humanity vanished today. What would remain 1 million years later? Skyscrapers? Gone. Cars, plastic, metal, dissolved or buried. Satellites? Fallen and destroyed. Books, servers, data centers? Erased. Only a thin geological layer, containing rare chemical traces, might hint that we ever existed. The silence of the archaeological record does not prove we were first. Part 13. Why this matters. This question challenges our assumptions about human uniqueness, the fragility of civilization, and our place in cosmic time. If others came before us and disappeared, what prevents us from facing the same fate? It serves as a cautionary tale. We may never know with certainty whether an advanced civilization existed long before us, but the inquiry itself expands our understanding of Earth's deep past and our potential future.